Have you ever stopped to think about how effortlessly money moves online? From buying your morning coffee with a tap of your phone to subscribing to your favorite streaming service, billions of transactions happen every single day, seamlessly, globally. But behind that apparent simplicity lies a vast, complex web of technology, regulations, and financial institutions. And at the heart of a huge portion of that digital economy, quietly enabling countless businesses, large and small, is a company you might not even realize you interact with constantly: Stripe. So, what does Stripe do exactly? Is it just a payment processor? Is it like PayPal? Is it a bank? The truth is, Stripe is all those things and much, much more. It's a company that has fundamentally reshaped the landscape of online commerce, making it easier than ever for businesses to accept payments, manage subscriptions, detect fraud, and even launch entirely new financial services. Imagine you're an aspiring entrepreneur with a brilliant idea for an online store. You've got your products, your website looks amazing, and you're ready to sell. But then you hit a roadblock. How do you actually take money from your customers? This isn't just about sticking a "Buy Now" button on your site. You need to handle credit card details securely, deal with different currencies, manage refunds, track sales, and ensure you're compliant with various financial regulations. For many, this would be an insurmountable hurdle, requiring deep technical knowledge and extensive relationships with banks. This is precisely where Stripe steps in. At its core, Stripe provides a financial infrastructure for the internet. Think of it as the invisible plumbing that allows money to flow freely and securely between businesses and their customers online. They take this incredibly complicated process and simplify it, providing a suite of tools and APIs, application programming interfaces, that allow developers and businesses to easily integrate payment capabilities into their websites and applications. Let's break down the core functions that make Stripe such a powerhouse. 1. Payment processing, the foundation. The most obvious and fundamental thing Stripe does is process payments. When you enter your credit card details on an e-commerce site powered by Stripe, a complex dance of data begins. Stripe securely collects your card information, encrypts it, and then communicates with various parties: your bank, the issuing bank, the merchant's bank, the acquiring bank, and the card networks, like Visa or MasterCard, to authorize and settle the transaction. This isn't a trivial task. It involves security, global reach, fraud prevention, speed, and reliability. 2. Beyond basic payments, a suite of financial tools. While payment processing is the bedrock, Stripe has expanded far beyond it, building out a comprehensive ecosystem of tools that cater to various business needs. Stripe Billing. For businesses with recurring revenue models like subscription services or SaaS, software as a service companies, Stripe Billing is a game changer. It automates everything from invoicing and recurring payments to managing trials, upgrades, downgrades, and cancellations. This eliminates the manual effort and complexity often associated with subscription management, allowing businesses to focus on growth. Features like smart retries, which use machine learning to intelligently reattempt failed payments, significantly boost revenue recovery. Stripe Connect. This is where Stripe truly empowers platforms and marketplaces. Imagine a platform like an Airbnb or an Uber, where payments need to flow between many different parties: the platform, the service provider, and the customer. Stripe Connect provides the tools to manage these complex payment flows, enabling platforms to onboard users, split payments, disperse funds, and handle compliance for multiple sellers or service providers. It abstracts away the intricacies of marketplace payments, allowing platforms to scale rapidly. Stripe Issuing. This product allows businesses to create and manage their own physical and virtual payment cards. This is incredibly powerful for businesses that want to control their spending, provide cards to their employees, or even offer cards to their own customers as part of financial service. For example, a gig economy platform could issue virtual cards to its contractors, allowing them instant access to their earnings. Stripe Treasury. Moving even further into the financial infrastructure space, Stripe Treasury allows platforms to embed financial accounts directly into their products. This means businesses can offer their customers the ability to hold funds, pay bills, and manage their cash flow all within the platform they already use. It's akin to banking as a service, enabling non-financial companies to offer financial products, deepening customer relationships, and creating new revenue streams. Stripe Capital. For eligible businesses using Stripe, Capital offers access to financing. Based on a business's transaction history on Stripe, they can receive offers for loans, providing much-needed capital to fuel growth without the traditional complexities of bank loans. Stripe Atlas. For aspiring entrepreneurs, especially those looking to launch a global online business, Stripe Atlas simplifies the daunting process of company formation. It helps businesses incorporate in the U.S., set up a U.S. bank account, and get started with legal and tax compliance, all from virtually anywhere in the world. This removes significant barriers to entry for many founders. Stripe Tax. Dealing with sales tax, VAT, and GST across different jurisdictions can be a nightmare. Stripe Tax automates this process, calculating and collecting the correct taxes for each transaction, and even generating reports to simplify tax filing. This ensures businesses remain compliant without needing an army of tax experts. 3. The developer-centered philosophy. A major differentiator for Stripe is its unyielding focus on developers. From its inception, Stripe was built with the idea that powerful, well-documented APIs will be the key to empowering businesses. They offer clean and comprehensive APIs, SDKs and UI components, sandbox and testing environment, strong developer community, and support. 4. The Stripe Advantage. Why businesses choose Stripe. So, why do millions of businesses, from nascent startups to established enterprises like Amazon, Google, and Shopify, choose Stripe? Simplicity and ease of integration. Scalability. Global reach and localized experiences. Robust security and fraud protection. Comprehensive ecosystem. Developer-friendly approach. In essence, Stripe democratizes access to sophisticated financial tools that were once only available to large corporations. They remove the significant technical and regulatory burdens associated with online payments and financial services, allowing entrepreneurs and businesses to focus on what they do best, building great products and serving their customers. They are constantly innovating, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in online commerce, and continuing to build the underlying economic infrastructure for the internet. Stripe isn't just facilitating transactions, they're enabling entrepreneurship, powering the global digital economy, and shaping the future of how businesses operate online. They are a quiet giant, a testament to the power of well-designed technology to solve complex problems and create immense value. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.